to the fourth lesson on indices, where we're going to look at fractional indices. Fractional indices is what we want to look at. Okay, so how do we work out these fractional indices? Remember, if we are given something like this, m to the power n, the power is a fraction. How we work it out, this can also be written in this form where we introduce the square root and n will be here, then a to the power m, like that. So any fraction that is given can be expressed in this form. For example, we have 4 to the power half. This can be solved in two ways. This can be solved in two ways. It can either be we express 4 in another way without changing the meaning. 4 expressed in index form will be 2 to the power 2 to the power half. This is an index of an index, so it will be equal to 2, then 2 times 1 over 2, which will give us 1 into 1, it's 1, 2 into 2, it's 1, which will eventually give us 2. Okay, but this can also be solved using this way. Okay, so or 4 to the power half can be expressed in this form where we have 4 there. This is our n and this is our m. So by using this, we are simply putting the 2 there, but sometimes it is not necessary to put the 2 there. But for illustration purposes, because we can have another number here, 2 will come there and to the power 1. So the square root, we can even ignore the 2 because when we use this symbol, meaning there is already a 2 there. So the square root of 4 is equal to 2, which is this answer that we found here. So that is how we can work out using fractional indices. That is how we can work out using fractional indices. I'll give more examples about fractional indices. Another example we can look at on fractional indices is 9 to the power half. 9 to the power half, using our law of indices, we can say this will be 9, the square root of 9 to the power 1. We know that the square root of 9 is 3, so 3 to the power 1, which will give us 3. Or the same question can be solved like this. Okay, so this one will be, we express 9 in another way, in index form without changing the meaning. So 9 expressed in index form will be 3 to the power 2 times 1 over 2. Then we open the brackets, it will be 2 times 1 over 2, which will be equal to 3 there. 1 into 1, it's 1. 2 into 2, it's 1. So it will be 3 to the power 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, so these 3 and that 3 are the same. So you can either solve using this way or you can solve using the other way. Okay, suppose we add another question where we can say 8 to the power 1 over 3. This can also be solved as the cube root. Since this time around we don't have a 2 here, we need to indicate the 3 there. 8 to the power 1. This is our n, this is our m, which will be equal to the cube root. Which number do we multiply by itself 3 times to give us 8? We have 2. 2 to the power 1, which eventually gave us a 2. So 2 is the answer here. Or the same can be worked out as we write 8 in another way. 8 to the power 1 over 3. It will be equal to, we write 8 in index form, which will be 2 to the power 3 times 1 over 3, which is equal to 2. Then we multiply that, which will be 3 times 1 over 3. Okay, over 1. 3 into 3, 1. 1 into 1, 1, which will give us 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, so thank you so much. You can check out for the class activity in the notes that will be provided below. This was an illustration of fractional indices. How can we work them out? Thank you so much.